welcome back to another
carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. Welcome to carlaskitchencc YouTube channel. Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, beautiful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget carlaskitchencc. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's kitchen. Carla's kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share carlaskitchencc. Yeah, hear that?
Turn on your stove and turn on.
Run go subscribe to carlaskitchencc.
Once it reaches a boil, then you will turn the stove off and cover the pot and allow it to draw. So I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna strain it off, and then I'm going to sweeten this refreshing, amazing pineapple and annatto juice. Now that I've finished straining the juice, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use honey as my sweetener. I chose to use honey. You can use sugar if you like, okay? Tastes great, guys. Very refreshing, and you sweeten it to your own liking. Here you have it, guys. Oh my god, who wants a bottle? Very refreshing and healthy juice, annatto and pineapple with ginger. Try it out, guys. Like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, touch the post notification bell to all so you will be notified every time when I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support. To all my new subscribers, I welcome you guys with a warm welcome. Do good, be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Take care of yourself, guys, and I'm gonna see you again in another video. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Bye.